speaking of issues on China, sa isang statement ng Bureau of Immigration, sinabi nila the Interagency Committee on Foreign Students is set to have urgent meeting today, Monday, to discuss the increase in Chinese nationals studying in the Philippines. Actually, recently, sa House din mismo may mga resolution about this. Given po, ito nga yung mga naiulat na may mga Chinese national na bibigyan ng Philippine passports, and may issue din kay Bamban Mayor Go. Do you think this is warranted? May reason na ba tayo para maalarma? At idugtong ko na rin po, dahil iniimbestigahan na rin si Mayor Alice sa Senado, do you think it is wise to have a parallel investigation din po sa House?
Well, with regard to this interagency body, no, with regard to the controversy concerning several Chinese students, of course, this is a welcome development, no, because what is at stake here is our national security. And one of the non-negotiables in our country is our national security. We want to make sure that the screening process of these students who are interested to enter the Philippines and have their education here should go under a very strict, no, and process. We want to make sure that these students do not pose a security risk or security threats in our country. On the issue of Mayor Alice Guo, I guess it's a possibility, no, to have a parallel investigation here in the House of Representatives, because this is very serious and at the same time very alarming, because imagine a Chinese, well, allegedly isa pong Chinese person was able to register herself, no, 17 years after na siya po ay pinanganak. So late registration po yung nangyari. And this concerns about the citizenship of this particular individual, lalong-lalo na we are talking about a public official, no? And under our constitution, those who want to serve our country and to join the electoral process as candidates for a local positions, they should be Filipino citizens. Nakakaalarma po ito sapagkat kung dito nga po may proseso ng naturalization sa Kongreso, binibigyan po ng House of Representatives or the Congress itself yung mga nag-a-apply na gusto pong maging Filipino citizens. Pero ito parang mabilisan, no? Kasi ang nagiging trend dito ay parang nagkakaroon ng late registration itong mga Chinese nationals. So, ire-register po nila sa local civil registrar at sila naman ay issuean ng birth certificate, at yung birth certificate na yon ay ipo-forward sa PSA, no, sa Philippine Statistics Authority, at bibigyan naman po ng certificate of live birth from the PSA. So, from there, mabibigyan din sila ng Philippine passport. And therefore, for all intents and purposes, sila po ay Filipino citizens. So these are very alarming, no? Kumbaga, minamanipula nila ang ating mga batas, ang ating pong mga proseso dito sa ating bansa, and dapat po matigil ito. Again, this is a national security issue na kailangan po pagbigyan at pagtuunan ng pansin ng ating gobyerno.
Dagdag lang din yung kay Kong Jill. So, medyo shady talaga yung nangyari sa investigasyon kasi parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka nanggaling. Parang ganun yung dating nung kahit sino naman siguro sa atin dito, alam kung saan kayo nag-aral, sino yung mga ganitong mga relevant na tao sa mga importanteng highlights ng buhay mo. So, i-add ko lang yun kay Kong Jill. But again, my focus is on the interagency po na nabuo. Siguro, I would just like to urge itong ating binuong interagency. Kahit na hindi naman po nabuo itong interagency na will screen or will look into this issue, part po kasi talaga ng trabaho nila yan eh. And part of their work is also looking at trends, projecting trends ng national, ng international. Bakit may influx ng ganitong number of people dito sa lugar na to? So dapat part po talaga ng mandate nila yun eh. Kasi may global trend po yung ganyan. Like, sa ano nga, 'di ba, sa entertainment business. Meron nga pong surge ng ano, 'di ba? K-pop is taking over the world. Parang something like that. So dapat po hindi lang po yung kung ano po yung current na matter ngayon. Dapat po yung mga ating national agencies nakikita din po nila, may projections din po sila, and they should have reasons, or dapat may gathering sila ng facts kung bakit po bakit dito sa Cagayan ang daming influx ng students. Something like that. So, yun lang po. Thank you.